Hi guys, this is Thrifty Mama Scraps again. This is just an updated video on how I change my embellishments to work for me when I'm scrapbooking. These I painted with nail polish. They turned out pretty well. They were originally just gold colored puffy stickers, but I wanted to change them and make them a little bit more useful for me. I don't really care for the color gold that it is. So I painted these purple and dark red and metallic red. I really like the way they turned out. Here, I'll give you a close-up of them. I think they turned out quite well, actually. I'm really excited to start using them. Here's some lighter colors. I particularly like this this blush pink. Turned out really well. The silver as well. Silver glitter. So these are ones that I did last night with nail polish. I like the green and the red together, kind of Christmassy. Here's some teal and some brown and some black. And then these, I decided to use Martha Stewart glitter to cover just the gold ones. And I kind of like how they turned out too. This is more of a see-through, larger glitter. And then this is more of a opaque glitter. But I kind of like it. And here, these are also Martha Stewart glitter. And there's purple and pink and red and blue. And there's a white and a black. So I like to alter my embellishments to fit my needs. I just think that your supplies go farther, and I just basically love doing this. I love doing it in all different aspects of scrapbooking. It was really easy to do. I just painted these with the nail polish. This, the glitter ones, I use this Zig two-way glue pen. I just colored them in, and then in a little tray. Here's a little glitter tray. Still got some glitter in it, but I just set them in that and sprinkled the glitter on top. So I have a little bit of glitter on my mat, but I'm not too worried about that. So I'm excited to use them now. So hopefully I'm going to come up with some other ideas on how to change some of my embellishments to make them more useful to me. So I will update you in another video on the next thing that I decide to alter for my scrapbook pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll be back to watch future videos on how I alter my scrapbook supplies that I have on hand in a thrifty way, so I can use them on more versatilely with my projects. If versatility is a word, I'm not quite sure. So, but thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Keep on scrapbooking.